Breaking news, May 14, 2026, NorthFlow Finance AI just flagged two explosive TSX stock signals. Let's dive in and explore these potential game changers. We're taking a closer look at a compelling signal on the TSX, and that's Regal Resources, trading under the ticker Reg.V. This stock has just flashed a major buy signal, known as a moving average golden cross, accompanied by a significant surge in volume. The golden cross indicates a bullish trend reversal, where the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, and with a current price of $4.07, this could be an attractive entry point for investors. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is sitting at 48.6, which puts it squarely in neutral territory, suggesting that there's still room for momentum to build. The volume surge of 47.4% is particularly noteworthy, as it indicates a significant increase in investor conviction. This surge in volume tells us that investors are taking notice of this stock and are starting to move in, which could be a sign of things to come. This volume change is unusual and could signal that institutional investors are starting to take an interest in Regal Resources. The fact that volume is spiking like this suggests that there's a growing appetite for this stock, and that could lead to even more upside. Recent coverage has highlighted Regal Resources as one of the promising penny stocks on the TSX, with a market cap under $500 million. This kind of attention can often bring new investors to the table, which could further fuel the momentum we're seeing. Viewers should watch for continued momentum and a potential break above key resistance levels. A sustained move above these levels could be a sign that this stock is ready to make a significant move higher. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're taking a closer look at Finning International, trading on the TSX as FTT.TO, which just triggered a MACD bullish crossover with a volume surge, a very compelling signal for investors. This crossover indicates a potential shift in momentum, and we're excited to dive deeper into the details. With a current price of $105.04, this stock is definitely on our radar. The MACD bullish crossover is a strong indicator of a potential uptrend, and when combined with a volume surge of 105.9%, it suggests that investors are becoming increasingly confident in the stock's prospects. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently at 62.0, which puts it in neutral territory, neither overbought nor oversold, suggesting that there's still room for momentum to build. The volume surge is particularly noteworthy, as it indicates a high level of investor conviction and participation. This surge in volume tells us that investors are not only buying into the stock but doing so with conviction, which can be a powerful catalyst for further price appreciation. This unusual volume activity could be a sign of institutional interest, which would be a significant boost to the stock's prospects. A volume increase of this magnitude is not common, and it may indicate that larger investors are starting to take notice of Finning International's potential. Recent earnings highlights from a similar company, Finning International Inc., showed strong earnings per share growth, which could have a positive impact on FTT.TO's outlook. This positive earnings report could be contributing to the recent surge in investor interest and confidence in the stock. Viewers should watch for a continuation of this uptrend, with key levels to watch being the stock's recent highs and lows. A breakthrough of these levels could signal a significant shift in the stock's trajectory. That wraps up our final pick for today. Don't forget to subscribe for daily TSX signals. Thanks for watching NorthFlow Finance. Subscribe for more, and remember, this is not financial advice. Consult a professional before making investment decisions.